Okay, so we're going to demonstrate now how to do some neon photography, which is going to be a very popular means of photography moving forward. When you've got things like 1980s pop culture in films and television, these kind of styles become very, very popular. So it's easy to get that look by using the Neewer products. So what we're using here, we've got the RGB 480s, which we're going to be set to pink and to a blue. And behind us here, we've got the 960s, which we've put two gels over the top, one blue and one pink. So what Emily's going to be doing is she's got some quite reflective clothing on, which is going to really show off that amazing neon color that you can get from these. So these are some of the images that you can get using neon photos. To bear in mind, these are now constant lights, very different from flash. So with these, you need to make sure you've got a very fast camera, a really good high-speed lens, and a really steady hand to get that perfect image. So let's have a look at what you can achieve with some of these amazing lights.
Step up out the Rari and I pose like that I'm Ghost. The club is like the weatherman. Every corner knows it's full of snow. Pills falling out the sky. I can feel my